Okay, well, this video is probably for viewers who have been watching this channel for a while, because I'm going to show you behind the scenes inside the Inkworks studio. Hi, I'm Irene, and it is around 9 a.m. right now, and I'm getting some nice morning light in through my window here. And yikes, the slippers off. Let's see, I have my window here. Wow, blowout. And let's start here. Actually, let me explain first that I've spent the last several days cleaning and organizing this room, and it's been a real job because I had let it get into a pretty disorganized state. But yeah, I've been working hard last few days trying to whip it into shape. And I've moved some furniture pieces in. I moved some furniture pieces out that weren't working for me. So I think this is going to work better for me. This is summertime. It's the end of July, so I do have a little desktop fan there. It's not on right now for noise purposes, so but I do have that going normally during the day. There's my fan to cool me down, and that is on top of my drawer of watercolors. I've mentioned this a number of times, and it has my pans of watercolors, various brands in there. And then, of course, there's more. Some specialty colors, some empty pans waiting for new colors, some art markers, fine liners mostly, and some brush pens. Also some color pencils and some Neil colors. Some of these were gifted to me from kind viewers. And I don't know about you, but I tend to really misplace my rulers. So I try to have several. There's a couple there. It's my paper cutter. And then there's more on the desk as well. On the first shelf there, on the left is my watercolors. Next to it is my gouache. I'll show you. Gouache. And then tube paints, and there's more in that Whitman's sampler box there. Then on the lower shelves, it's my watercolor papers, drawing and sketch papers. And on the bottom shelf, more watercolor papers and also my folios that hold some of my finished works and some random art things. Now, I'm not completely finished with this cleaning and organizing project, but I'll talk about that in a moment. Right here is my main workstation for painting. You can see there is a camera apparatus that's set up for overhead view. There's a sneak peek at what's coming up. Producer Mike surprised me with some art stuff. And brushes, pencils, markers, tape. And then above the wall, that's on the right, that's my latest piece. I'm currently working on the voiceover for that, writing the voiceover for that. That photo is of, let's see, that's my mom. And up there on the window ledge are just some random things. I ended up filling that cookie jar with the majority of my empty paint pans. And oh, that piece of art there was gifted to me by a kind viewer. Next to it in the Hello Kitty frame is a photo of my niece. That was soon after she was born, but she's now 21 and she just passed her driver's test. I'll show you there. I've got one of those rolling carts there to hold a bunch of stuff. Okay, behind me, this is a mess. This is a dresser, and on top of that is a bunch of stuff that hasn't been put away yet. So all of this stuff needs to be to find a home. Boards and stuff, clipboards, drawing boards. Closer look here at this rolling cart. It mostly has pen stuff, fountain pen stuff at the moment. And this desk is dedicated to writing, fountain pens, inks, writing, and collage work. I haven't done much in collage for a while, but I've been hankering to get back into it. And this is where I keep my fountain pen inks. These are clear acrylic lipstick holders. I got these from Daiso, so very inexpensive. So there's 3 of them there. And those vials, these sample vials were, producer Mike got me a few of them, and then the rest were sent to me from generous viewers, as well as these here too. Well, there's other ones on here that were gifts too, but I won't go through each of them. I'll just show you how I've got it organized for now. And in this wooden crate there is fountain pen friendly notebooks and journals. Down below I've got ephemera for collage, some my rubber stamps, some sticker book. Oh, that pink tray there, that's some fountain pen stuff that I need to work on the footage on that. Eventually, once that dresser top is cleared, I want to move this paper cutter on top of it. That'll have a home finally. And the rest is this junk that gets hidden behind the door. This holds my brochures, random stuff, travel stuff, and like paint brochures. Here, there's Daniel Smith, M. Graham, so forth and so on. And another lovely shot of this pile of junk here. Now, this is my computer station, and it's where all the video editing happens. I made this lampshade many years ago using a hot glue gun and a rubber stamp of a honeybee. and I believe some gold spray paint, ribbons, rosettes, and fringe. The base is kind of cool. It's like these monkeys on the base. There's my stash of Hello Kitty stationery, a bunch of nail polish, doodads. You can see there's a stack of sticky notes in various colors. And attached there is an attached cup holder and headphones. Is a magazine rack that holds. I put some of my completed pieces in here that need to be organized and put into folios. Let's see that. This is the one that's on the screen here. Sticky notes galore. And my hand-stitched A6 notebook holder that's now being used as a coaster. My microphone with flesh-colored sock over it. And that has a practical purpose. It's not just for my own amusement. It's to prevent popping while recording my voice. Another cup holder. This one will actually hold a coffee mug. And further to the left, there is a shallow shelf unit. Eraser foods. Eraser foods, yes, from Daiso. Mostly from Daiso, I should say. And then just some random things. And we're back to the window wall. Now, this is actually the closet for this room. Relative built that desktop inside for me. And another relative helped me mount the TV onto the wall there. This is the front of the dresser that has junk piled on top of it. Go away, junk. Oh, I don't want you to go away. You're cute. And outside in the hallway, for those of you who've been watching for a while, maybe that was entertaining or interesting. Thanks for watching. I'm going to take a nap because spending 3 days cleaning and organizing a room, cleaning and organizing a room takes a lot out of you. So until next time, stay artsy, my friends.